In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Redbubble, a fantastic online marketplace filled with awesome products designed by independent artists. Whether you're a creator looking to share your work or a shopper in search of unique items, understanding how to effectively use the Redbubble platform can enhance your experience. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Redbubble homepage. This is where your journey begins. The homepage is where you'll find an incredible assortment of items ranging from artwork and apparel to home decor and accessories. It's a treasure trove waiting to be explored. Once you're on the homepage, the next step is to access your account. To do this, look for the login button. It's usually located in the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will take you to the login page, an essential step if you want to customize your Redbubble experience, track your orders, or upload your own artwork. When you reach the login page, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Start by typing in your email address. This should be the email you used when you created your Redbubble account. Make sure it's entered correctly to avoid any hiccups in accessing your account. Following your email, the next field to tackle is your password. Type it in carefully. Remember, passwords are case sensitive, so ensure your caps lock isn't on if your password is all in lowercase, or vice versa. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry, there's usually a link to reset it. Once your email and password are entered, it's time to hit the login button and officially dive into your Redbubble account. This is where the real fun begins. Successfully logging in brings you back to the home page, but this time you're logged in with access to your user account. Now navigate back to the Redbubble homepage by clicking on the site logo or simply refreshing the page. You'll notice a change in how things look now that you're logged in. The site is more tailored to you, with suggestions and features unique to your account. To access more personalized settings, click on your profile. This might be represented by your account name or an avatar if you've set one up. Here you delve deeper into your individual Redbubble universe, accessing orders, saved designs, and account settings. Speaking of account settings, let's head there next. Click on Account Settings from the drop-down menu under your profile. This section allows you to manage your Redbubble experience, adjust personal information, and, pertinent to our guide today, alter language settings. Scroll through the account settings until you find the language and currency settings. It's usually towards the bottom of the page. Here, Redbubble offers the option to adjust settings like your preferred language, the default currency for browsing, and even the site's regional version based on your location. For our example, let's say we stumbled upon Philippines, USD dollar, English. If you're looking to change this, perhaps you speak another language or are browsing from a different country, this is the place to make that adjustment. Simply click on this section to expand your options. You'll see a list of languages Redbubble supports, allowing you to choose the one you're most comfortable with. Selecting a new language will update the site's interface to better suit your preference, making your browsing, shopping, or selling experience on Redbubble more intuitive and enjoyable. And just like that, you've personalized your Redbubble experience. Changing your preferred language can make a world of difference, especially if English isn't your first language, or you're shopping from a non-English speaking country. Redbubble's support for multiple languages ensures that everyone can enjoy the incredible work of independent artists from around the globe. Remember, exploring Redbubble doesn't end with adjusting settings. Take time to discover new artists, save your favorite designs, and maybe even upload your own artwork. Redbubble is a community as much as it is a marketplace, and your unique contributions make it all the more special. Thank you for joining me today. Whether you're a seasoned Redbubble user or new to the platform, I hope this guide has helped to make your experience more enjoyable and personalized. Happy exploring, and don't forget to support those amazing independent artists.